heard, but no, I'm not aware. Then fill me in.
Coming up. That some days back I saw you guys did something on the World Fashion Day, right? We saw a video. We saw a really nice compilation on YouTube. Next, if it would have been college, it would have. I think are you guys going to show the faces, because you guys are very reluctant. I really want to see the juniors. Is that going to happen?
No, like I have heard that there's something coming up, but no idea what.
When I saw the video, the World Fashion Day video, so then also you were very hesitant in showing their faces. So yeah.
Yeah, your event, right? It's
An introductory event, right? Which is coming ahead.
Absolutely. Obviously, it'll be nice to see all those juniors, the new batch, and I'm eagerly waiting to see everyone. And I hope they'll be surprised. Ki, theek hai, there are super seniors who are still interacting now. So yeah, we are all super excited to see every single junior, and hope to meet you all soon.
I'm very excited because I think this is the most important time when the club again takes more people and enlarges the family. So seeing the new faces and looking at them, how they're performing, how they are holding up everything and doing things is the best possible feeling ever. This is the most exciting part of the year. Very excited. All the best for the event.
Absolutely, and it's so amazing. It would be so amazing to see them.
That's the most thrilling part when it comes to me, because lately I've been actually coming across some memories of 2 years back and 1 year back when you all were at the stage, and when I was at that stage long back, 2 years back. Lately, Snapchat is giving me a lot of memories. So I think that's the best part of Moving Mannequins, and from here the journey begins. So yeah, it's good, it's nice, and I hope it will be good for them as well.
excited. I'm very excited today.
Really excited, taking into account like what I was like 2 years ago and seeing how my super juniors are doing. I'm pretty excited to see how things would be.
It's all about your experience in your journey. So I mean, it's not just doing all the tasks, doing all the events. It's a wholesome experience. So being in Moving Mannequins would be a whole lot different experience. I really wish it was live. It was on field. Like you could have gotten to do fashion shows. You could have gone to inter colleges, but apparently this year it's not going to happen. But cross your fingers. Hopefully next year you'll be the whole new batch to do new things. And respect your seniors. They really have a good experience, and they have done all the things that you're going to do now. So yeah, respect the experience. Yeah, that'll be all. Have fun. Enjoy the journey. Like you're gonna take all those memories now. So It's been half year. I've been sitting and I still have all those memories fresh. All those club memories, all those events. They're still in my mind. So yeah, it's great.
This society, Moving Mannequins, is like really close. We all have spent so much time together. They have come. They are the new faces. I want them to make the society even more eminent and better, just like the way you all have been carrying out. And all the best for the event. Make the best use of it. That's what I would love to say then.
So first of all, welcome all the juniors of Moving Mannequins. Moving Mannequins was something which was very close to my heart, and one of the best clubs I've been into in IBS. I was into 3 clubs, but Moving Mannequins was something which I loved the most. And the message which I would like to give to the juniors will be just showcase your talent, be what you are, and you are going to enjoy like hell. We work so much, we party a lot, and we stay connected. That's all I want to say to all the juniors now.
I think it's the first time when they are coming on board. I would say on board because it's a journey basically. So I just want to tell them one thing, that everybody who has gone through this part is once nervous when the first time they are going on stage. Actually, they are on the last time as well, but somewhere through the journey it becomes a little easier. So I think I just want to tell them one thing: don't be nervous, because Moving Mannequins is going to be a hell of a ride, but you will definitely love it.
Most important thing is teamwork. Though they are at home, but I think they should always understand that how you guys are. Like if I'm comparing our this time, so we can clearly see that the team is doing really good online wise. If you see, because even you guys haven't met each other, so I think they are doing perfectly great. And I think if they would be doing the teamwork with the same energy, they would be doing great.
They have to really work hard in this current scenario and with all these complications. Actually, you are working hard more than we did. So you have to work hard and you are doing a really good job. And I'm very, very excited to see you guys on the ramp. And yeah, just best of luck, do your best. And your seniors are always there to help you. Your seniors and also we super seniors.
Thing which I would, tell them is that, have that confidence, and, it is their first event. Obviously, there will be several obstacles which they will have to face, but, have that confidence. Make sure that whatever you're doing, have that trust, have that, team building with everyone. That is the most important thing.